Very good evening to all of you. Now, today onwards, we will start the Linux training. So, in that section, we'll discuss about first Linux. What is the Linux? What is the core component of Linux? How we'll do install Linux. After that, how we'll do or perform the different kinds of operation on the Linux operating system. Once we learn Linux, then we will start the learning cloud. Okay, and in that section, we will learn about the AWS. In that section, we learn about the AWS cloud. Okay, so this is the very basic request, basic condition to learn the AWS. So for that AWS, we require to use a Linux. If you know the Linux, then you can easily learn about the AWS. Okay. So first of all, we require an installation. In the morning, I already sent a message on the group how many students have their own laptop or desktop. If you have, then you can do, and if those students don't have the laptop, then they can perform the practical or lectures in the college. So I already discussed with HOD ma'am and already discussed with the staff member. They will provide the computers for practical. Make a note of that. While learning the Linux operating system and AWS, we require to use the system. Without desktop, without laptop, we did not get any concept. Okay, we can understand the theoretical part, but how we will do the practical? If you get the practical knowledge, then it will be usable. Otherwise, you didn't understand the concept of Linux. Okay, so for that we require to use a system, laptop or desktop, whatever it may be, with internet connection. So first of all, while starting with Linux, I want to discuss some few points regarding the Linux operating system. In that, we will perform the operation on the Ubuntu. Okay, we'll do the installation of Fedora also for purpose of just understanding how we'll do installation part. But majorly, we will work on the Ubuntu. Okay, so here is the operating system where we use the operating system as a Linux in the Ubuntu. Similarly, we will use same operating system, Ubuntu operating system in the AWS cloud also. Okay, for installation purpose, we require some few software, and I will show you how to install the operating system. Just carefully listen each and every point. I will share the recording also after completion of the lecture, after few hours. After that, I will share the recording also. So don't worry about that. Don't You didn't want to miss any concept regarding that. So don't worry about that. So first of all, we'll do we will how we will install OS. Which OS? We need to install the OS as open. That means operating system. So for that, we require some hardware. Okay, so we require some hardware. So assume that you have some desktop or you have some laptop. So we can install the software on that hardware and you can use easily operating system. So for that, we require some software. Okay, so assume that we require a software as VMware. So this one is a software name, VMware. Okay, it's paid software, or we can say that it is a license copy. But for the practical purpose, or for a personal purpose, they will provide free software. Once we can use VMware software, or either we can use VirtualBox. Okay, this one is also free software. We can easily install the operating system. Second important thing, we require this software, plus we require ISO image of OS. Okay, so we're gonna install Ubuntu. For that we require operating system, ISO image for OS, Ubuntu, and I will show you how we'll download like that. Okay, once we get that all operations, so after that we need to install. We need to install. Just I will show you. Don't worry about that. Install VMware. Okay, once we install the VMware, now we need to install. We need to install Ubuntu. So these types we required to perform the operation. So very basic operation. We starting the learning of Linux. So before starting the learning of Linux, we need to understand how we will install this operating system. And for that operating system, we require some certain software. Okay, so just I will show you. I have that software. I will show you, and after that, we are trying to install that application. So before that, just I want to show you where we get the software. So just download VMware Player. So this one is a website. So by that website, you can download. This is a logo of VMware Workstation. Click on that website, and the size is near about 180 MB. So we require to use that software. Just 1 minute. So here's a website, and uh, or just go to that website VMware, and click on the try VMware Workstation 16 for Windows. Click on that. We're gonna install that operating system software on Windows operating system. So click on that. See, the size is near about 584 MBs. Okay, so this is the latest version. So for that, the size is too high. So it took some time. Okay, once we download, we require ISO image also. So just I will show you where we get the ISO image. So here we need to download ISO Ubuntu 16.04. We require this software to install the OS. Okay, to perform the operation we require to use. I have that software. We will do the practical also, but just before that, just I will show you how we'll download. So this one is a website. Click on that, and in that website you will get the link to download the software. See, this one is a website, and here we will download the application. Okay, so 64, if you have a laptop of 64-bit architecture, I prefer this. If your laptop is a 32-bit architecture, then prefer this. I will identify whether our laptop or desktop is 64-bit or 32-bit. So just open my computer. So this one is a my computer. Click on that. Go to the this PC. Okay, so here is a this PC. Right click on that and click on the properties. You will get the detailed architecture. Okay, so here is my laptop information. i5 laptop, 12 GB RAM, and my architecture type is 64-bit. Okay, system type C. You can visible. Option is visible 64-bit. So according to that, we need to specify. So for that, just we need to click on the 64-bit, and once we click, the application will be downloaded. Okay, the iOS image, the size is 1.6 GB. Okay, right now I don't want to download this, and this also I don't want to download it because I have that application. Okay, now just I will show you how we'll install it. That I have that application, I want to remove it, so I can easily show you the different kinds of options over here. Have that application. Where is just 1 minute. Yeah, this one is. See, I have application of VMware Player. Okay, so just this software we require to use. This application we require to use. So just right click on that application. Once we download the VMware Player, just we need to install it. Click on the Run as administrator. So now we need to install the VMware. Okay, so first step, once we assume that the first these two steps we did, we downloaded the VMware player and also we downloaded the ISO images, ISO image for the Ubuntu. Okay, so should I do? I will do one thing. I will create one folder and inside that. we required a quiz. Operating system. We'll check for that. First of all, we'll install that VMware. So now I'm trying to install the VMware. Click on the next. So see, it will show you the different operations. Why? Because the control panel maybe we have that. Just give me 1 minute. Just we need to right click on that application VMware, and just I'm trying to install it. Click on the install and click on the yes option. Okay. Okay, my screen is not visible. Okay, just 1 minute. Is it visible now? Is my window? Is it visible? This welcome to VMware Workstation 16. Yes. So just we need to click on the next button. So now onwards, just click check the options. First of all, we need to accept the agreement of VMware player. Okay. So click on the next. Once we install that, here is the path where we need to install the operating system. Do not change this path. Okay. Make as it is. So click on that and make sure that this option is clicked. Okay. So because we require this path later on. So click on the next. Check for the product update. We don't require that, and join the VMware customer experience. So click uncheck on that and click on the next. Now where we need to install, first we require to in desktop and start menu bar. Okay, so click on that and click on that. So this is the process. This is a simple application. By using that, we can easily install that application. Okay. So there is a no such R&D type work to do the installation of VMware, but still you need to understand this concept. For that reason, I have given a demo. Everything while learning the Linux operating system, everything will be depend on that application. So make a note of that. We need to understand how we'll install the VMware player and what are the queries, what are the problem we face, we need to share. Okay, so this is a very basic thing. By using that, we can easily install the operating system, easily install the VMware workstation, and on that software we need to install the operating system. Okay, so first we need to do the first step. First we need to download this application. Okay, VMware Player 16. There's a size of 500 MB latest version. If you choose the previous version 16.1, then the size of that application is near about 200 MB. Okay, so just download it and trying to install. If you have a laptop, if you have a desktop, then download and install it on your desktop or laptop. Okay, those students don't have the laptop and desktop, then we will arrange a lab for you. Okay, so once the offline lectures will be started in college, so you can perform the practical on the KC lab. In that particular lab, Shafi sir is there, so he will help you. Okay, so you can do the practical on that lab. Just I will show you how to do that. And even installation part, if you don't want to do that, if you don't have a laptop, because in that laboratory, Linux KC laboratory, we already installed the Linux operating system, so you can directly use that. Okay, so don't worry about installation in the particular lab. If you have a Windows machine, that's why I have shown the application. If you don't have, then don't worry about that. Okay, it took some time to install. We will wait for that. And every lecture, after every end of the lecture, we have a question answer session. So in that you can ask the question regarding what I taught and what the concept you didn't get that. See, this one is a ISO of Ubuntu. So while installing the operating system, we require to use that. Now we're trying to installing the virtual drivers. Some time for the installation. Don't worry about that. For that, we require to use some space. If you don't have space, then that application will not execute it. We right now we don't have that space in D drive, so that's why we install that application on C drive as it is. So till now, just about to show you the page where you will get the videos. I will share the link also. So this one is a YouTube website. So in that, just we need to you need to click on here search box, and here we need to type 01 data lab parameter. So you will get this logo, this option, and click on that 01 data lab. Okay, so in that section in the playlist, I will create a new playlist for you, and in that section you have lots of videos, dbms video, python videos. So if you want to watch that video, then you can free to watch that video. You can visit that website and you are trying to watch that application, so don't worry about that. And once if you want to learn a DBMS, then you can watch everything. So here you will get the new playlist, and I will share that AWS with Linux, and I will share that playlist with you, and you can watch the video daily basis. Okay, by using this page you can get the whole training sessions. Okay, unmute your participant. Just make a note of that. You need to download that application. Space issue. See, our installation is completed. Click on the finish button. Once we complete the installation, we need to open that application. Now here I will show you. Click on that option and type VMware Workstation. Now for today, just I will show you how I will create the virtual machines. These are my predefined virtual machines. Okay, so just I don't want to use that. Now, so this is the application where we need to use. Okay, so make a note of that. While using that application, we need to first download it, and after that we need to install it. These are the steps. First we need to download the VMware. We'll do the same operation on VirtualBox also, and after that we need to download the IOC image. So after that we need to install the VMware. Okay, so this is the step. By using that we can download and install it. Now we need to create the virtual machine, but for that, so only few students are joined. So for that reason, we will do the same operation on tomorrow. And for today itself, for now, we can say that that's we can complete this task today itself or tomorrow itself. We will download first VMware. After that, we will download the ISO image also, and after that, we will try to install the VMware. So this is the very basic part where we can use that. Okay, so just I will share the video in Linux 1, and after that just you can watch that video. Okay, so before that, just closing the lecture, I want to ask a question regarding do you have any questions regarding that? If you have, then let me know about that. We'll discuss about it.